Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and germs. Welcome back to another daily Stoic episode. Please forgive me for the same lighting, same attire, same condition of the room, because I shot it in one night and I had to do it because I'm going to be very busy for the rest of the week. Now it's January 8th. The reading for January 8th here is Seeing Our Addictions. Seneca, on his moral letters, and I quote, "We must give up many things to which we are addicted, considering them to be good. Otherwise, courage will vanish, which should continually test itself. Greatness of soul will be lost, which can't stand out unless it disdains as petty what the mob regards as most desirable." End quote. What we consider to be harmless indulgences can easily become full-blown addictions. We start with coffee in the morning, and soon enough we can start the day without it. We check our email because it's part of our job, and soon enough we feel the phantom buzz of the phone in our pocket every few seconds. Soon enough, these harmless habits are running our lives. The little compulsions and drives we have not only chip away at our freedom and sovereignty, they cloud our clarity. We think we're in control, but are we really? Have you asked yourself? Are you really in control? If your answer is yes, think again. Are you using your phone right now? Are you using your phone to watch this video right now? Next, as one addict put it, addiction is when we've lost the freedom to abstain. Let me repeat it. As one addict put it, addiction is when we've lost the freedom to abstain. Let us reclaim that freedom. What addiction is for you can vary. Soda, drugs, complaining, gossiping, the internet, biting your nails. But you must reclaim the ability to abstain because within it is your clarity. Okay, I will repeat it. But you must reclaim the ability to abstain because within it is your clarity and self-control. Now, my realization for this reading is how we see addictions, or the subtle art of invisibility of addictions. We may see things as just small things, but compounded it in one day, we can see that it is an addiction. Maybe you're watching this video through your phone right now. Maybe you just checked your emails. You just checked your a notification from social media, and then you ended up watching this video. Man, who knows, diba? We must have as ironic as it sounds, I am addicted to something, which is personal growth. Personal growth, financial growth, spiritual, emotional, mental growth. That's when I'm addicted. I don't have any vice. I've quit smoking. I've quit drinking. I'm not gambling, man. So those two, I quit it back in 2019. Now, I quit it. Now, there are a lot of things that replace those vices, which is this one. I am trapped in this world of personal development. It is good, yes, it is good, but being trapped inside it, killing yourself just to grow. Di ba, parang naglolokohan lang. So, I'm having trouble when it comes to this part because I want personal growth, but I don't want to get so immense into it to a point na I'm risking my health. I'm sacrificing my health, my relationship with my loved ones, with my sisters, with my parents, with my girlfriend. Yan. Yeah, that's it. That's kind of deep though. Okay, it's kind of deep. So this should be just 9-10 minute video. I should not be exceeding the time limit. Alright, that's it. See you in my next episode. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you think that I have things to improve, you drop it in the comments below. And if you haven't liked it yet, go like it. If you haven't subscribed it, smash the subscribe button. And I will see you in my next episode. Bye.